Good morning, everyone. It is a wonderful morning here. First day of May. Last night we have heavy rain. So I am so glad and thankful to God. What a blessing last night, guys. Because ang among yard is very brown na ang mga grass. So finally last night we have heavy rain. So hopefully this will be the first rainy season. I'm praying, hoping and praying, because they're saying that we're gonna have a dry season, a longer dry season. So but guys, I'm so glad, really, guys. Ako din siyang gibalhin. Nilipat ko po yung mga pechay ko dito, and I make shelves. So ako lang po ang nag-DIY-ari. So para po maiba naman po yung place sa mga pechay ko, kasi they are growing now, guys. And in fact, I really need to transplant this one to the bigger one. But for now, dito lang muna kasi wala pang budget. So guys, tingnan niyo po yung pechay ko. Grabe, thank you Lord. So grabe talaga yung yung impact sa rain. So I really need this final this kind of size pots. So tingnan niyo po yung ibang mga sizes. Ito a little smaller than this is the big one. So this is what I need. So para mo boom ang yung pechay, may space pa siya maka-grow. So grabe guys ang pechay ko. So tingnan niyo po, tatlo po itong layer. Wow, tingnan niyo po guys, you see. So dyan ko po nilagay yung first and second batch ni siya na pechay, kasi pag ang first batch is hindi man po talaga lahat tutubo. So mayroon pong mga namamatay. So this is the first and second batch. And tingnan nyo po yung nandito sa maliit na pots. So maliit din po yung niya, yung I really need to transplant this one. But for now, dito muna sila kasi di pa po ako nakabili. Nakabili na ako, i-transplant ko na. See? Tanawa guys ang difference. Kapag i-transplant po ito, para siyang sisipak yung niya stem. So this is the second small size. So third size. This is third size. Yung fourth is this one po. Then fifth. Parang ganun yata. Pero 6 size po ito lahat. May smaller pa dito guys. Ayan. Ito po yung pechay ko guys. Sa ngayon. So malapit na po ako mag-harvest ng pechay. So tingnan niyo po dito. Ito po yung first size. pichay. Yan. First size, then the second one. So the third is yung ganyan. Then the fourth is this one. So 6 lahat pala yung sizes dito. So ganyan po ako magtatanim ng pichay, guys. Ililipat ko po. Kasi wala naman po silang space mag-grow. Yung mga what's that? They need to grow. Yung roots niya, dami kasing roots ng pichay. Meron po ako dito cucumber. I just planted this one 3 days ago, transplant. So ngayon po is nabubuhay na po sila. Ayan. So I have here a tomato again. So the cucumber is ako ni siyang i-plant sa pots. So ayan po, guys, yung garden ko dito. Hanging garden. Hindi po sa sa lupa kasi po ang ang dry po ng lupa at saka masyadong mainit. So wala po akong pang cover sa mga vegetables ko. So far nagwo-work naman po sa pots. So hindi po hindi po nadi-disturb sa mga chicken because I have a chicken all around here, the native chicken. Once this one will planted to the ground, expectedly this one will be history. So nagtry ko dire sa nagbitay-bitay ko, guys, og tomato. So isa lang ka akong gitryan para kasi may naakoy ka ng mga I have a seedlings tomato. So nag-grow na po sila, nag-germinate. So I try here if this one will, because this is a small container. So yan lang po, guys, yung garden ko. Punta naman po tayo sa guys, tomato. Okay, dito naman po tayo sa tomato. Ang lalaki na po nila pero hindi pa po na ripe. So I still need to wait till this one will ripe, and the rest are history na po sila. Yung cherry ko is wala na po, parang hindi na po ito magtatagal. At happy naman ako kasi nag-produce naman po sila ng a lot of tomato. So ito na lang po yung last ko na tomato here, but I still have a lot of don't worry, guys, I still have a lot of seedlings tomato coming. So dito ko rin po ilalagay sa pots na lang din po kasi nag-work naman po sila. Ang sa akin lang po is just to water them twice a day, because once this one I'm going to, if I'm gonna plant this one to the ground, oh my god, my chicken, my god, the native chicken, they are so wild, guys. So miskin pa man ilan ang gikakha ka ng mga coconut hash, didegdag coconut hash, at least they are still inside. Hindi po nila na nakuha yung yung stem. So I am so glad. So everything works out here. Just keep on work hard, and you're gonna have a good result. So grabe ang laki ng tomato, guys. So nakaka-amaze. Yan. Grabe ang laki niya. So lalaki pa siguro to kasi parang young pa siya. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope to see you again. Thanks for your comments and bye everyone. May God bless us all. I'll be back later.